Bean app hand green. So what is that? This is a new app. It's in top charts. A DHD timer. Stay focused with your new Bean friend. Earn decorations. The more you focus, the more you can decorate. Block apps, limit distraction, focus and break timers. Cozy focus timer. When you focus, your Bean friend will focus. Let your Bean complete their work and get prizes to buy decorations. If you interrupt your Bean by turning off the timer, they'll be really sad. So yeah, that's basically when you're entering this focus timer, this Bean friend is just starting to knit socks. And the more you focus, the more socks you have, and then you can just buy different props with these socks. So that's the idea. So there is live activities, there is deep focus, there is break timers, and there's the decorations, there are Bean skins. This is what you can have, and here is what you have in here. So here is Bean, and then you just tap focus, and then you set up the timer. You select deep focus, which supposedly should block all other apps when you want to exit this app, and then you just start. And then this is how it looks like. You can enable music in top right, so there are different types of like focused music to help you out. And yeah, this is basically the app. It has this really cool animations. The animations team is a great job. However, I think this app is a bit glitchy because I can still exit it, so I can just exit it, go to any other apps, and then just this timer continues going. So that's just what it is. Ideally, if I'm using this focus app, I don't want it to be able to close this app. I should be staying in the app, and when I go to some other Safari, whatever I go, then it should stop the timer, but it's not stopping the timer. As you can see, this timer keeps on going. And also it's the same when I do deep focus mode, which supposedly should block all other apps, but it's not blocking apps. I can still open Safari. So this is a bit of a glitch, but yeah. Other than that, if you just want to use it in this way, you can just tap stop focusing or just continue with focus. There is also break timer. Here you can see all of these different skins which you can buy. You can upgrade to Pro plan, which is only like $15 per year, quite cheap. Then you can also do like here you can add item. Then you can just add some sounds, defocus settings, some additional settings. And then you have shops, and then that's basically what you have as well. So here's you have it, and then that's just what it is in here. So yeah, that's the app. People like it because it's actually made by Hank Green, who is a famous creator, TikTok influencer, and people like it. However, as I said, there are these few glitches, and I think this is more like a visual app with great animations. But if you really want to have more advanced focus app, there are a bit some good alternatives as well, which actually blocking all of the apps and blocking of all of your activities. That's what I like. If I want to have some focus time on my phone, I usually choose the app where you just put this focus timer and literally everything is blocked on your phone. You can't access anything. So this is the only way it works with me. Because here with this app, honestly, if I put a timer like for 30 minutes, and then I just want to check out Twitter or something, get distracted, I will just do that with this app because this app is not blocking me from doing it. But it has nice ratings, and it really has nice design. So try it out. It has a lot of free features. So that's the app.